My name is Fernando Camacho. I'm a crew leader here at Eustis Roofing, and my responsibility here is to make sure that roof is top-notch from the moment I get there to the moment I leave. The thing that we do here different at Eustis Roofing is we pay attention to detail. All the stuff that all the other companies are missing, because they're always in the rush, is what we focus on. That's the big difference that Eustis Roofing offers here. The reason why we've gone back to fix other people's mistakes is because the company is no longer in service, or they're just not answering the phone calls, and we'll always be here for however many years, they can always come back. Typically to install a roof, it takes us a couple of days, maybe 3 days, depending on the size of the roof, or whether it's shingle, whether it's metal, maybe a little longer. But at the end of the job, you look back and you look at your work, you look what you've done and you're accomplished, and you feel good. And you feel good about your work, and you also feel good about the customer, the client. Now they know they have a well put together roof that they don't have to worry about for a very long time, and that's satisfying, man. I went to go buy a motorcycle not that long ago, and I pulled up to the house, the address that the guy sent me, and it's a roof that I personally put on. It was the coolest thing, and I said, hey, how long? I asked the customer, hey, how long was this roof on there? So Eustis Roofing put it in there, man, and I'm like, I know. It's like, I put that roof on. And so he was super excited, super happy. This was 4 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, and had nothing but good things to say about us. And that was a good feeling, man. This world is so small.